Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an epic recipe, Zaatar Lemon Chicken. So I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil over my chicken here, rub it very well, and then the lemon juice. I'm gonna start by sprinkling the pepper and the salt. I'm gonna rub it very well. Get the salt and the pepper inside the cavity of the chicken. Flip it. Now that it has been sitting in the marinade overnight, and I will fill the cavity with quartered onions and lemons. Now I'm gonna dry the surface of the chicken. I'm gonna remove the excess salt and pepper, 7 spices, some cayenne, sumac, freshly ground coarse pepper, zaatar, pinch of salt, and sweet or smoked paprika, whatever you feel like. Some garlic granules. I add some pomegranate molasses. Now with my hands, I'm gonna rub all this very well all over the chicken. My chicken is now ready, and it's time to slice my potatoes. I'm gonna slice some potatoes, not too thin slices. Drizzle some olive oil in the bottom. Lay down my potato slices. Perfect. Some slices of lemon around. I'm gonna transfer my chicken to my roasting pan. I preheat the oven at 220. I put my roasting pan in the oven, uncovered first, I would say for 10 to 15 minutes until the skin starts to brown and crisp up a little bit. And then I'm gonna cover the pan, lower my heat to between 185 to 190 and let it cook evenly. I got my roasted chicken out of the oven, and let's reveal the glory. Wow, look at that. Fork tender. Okay, the potatoes has all the drippings from the chicken. Now this is a melange of deliciousness. This is an excellent family dinner. It's everything in one dish. Please try it. Don't forget to leave a comment below the video, and I will be back with another interesting recipe from the Mediterranean region.